Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. Welcome dear students for our commercial subject group account 213 for level 3. Today we will explain financial statement analysis in unit 6. In this unit we will cover the need for comparative analysis, the tools of financial statement analysis. Then we will compute the percentage by using the horizontal analysis. Analyzing financial statements involve evaluating three features of a company, which are liquidity, profitability, and solvency. Summary of comparative analysis. In comparative analysis, we have to compare by internal comparison using current year figures with the prior year. Industry comparison, we can analyze the companies in the same industry, and comparator comparison with the competitors. Okay, in financial statement analysis, we will use horizontal analysis, vertical analysis, and ratio analysis. In this chapter, we will cover only the ratio analysis and the vertical analysis, but we will not take the ratio analysis. In horizontal analysis, we will use the balance sheet, income statement, and retained earnings statement figures. In vertical analysis, the balance sheet and income statement. For the ratio analysis, it will not be covered in this chapter, which we can use the liquidity, profitability, solvency, and summary. Okay, the tools of financial statement analysis. For horizontal analysis, we can evaluate the series of financial statement data over a period of time. In vertical analysis, we will evaluate a series of financial statement data by expressing each item in a financial statement as a percent of base amount. In the ratio analysis, that will not be covered in this lesson, we will express the relationship among selected items of financial statements. Okay, in this lesson, we will explain properly horizontal analysis, and for the second lesson, we will explain the vertical analysis. Horizontal analysis, we can name it trend analysis, both with the same meaning. It is a technique for evaluating a series of financial statement data over a period of time. Okay, what is the purpose of horizontal analysis? Is to determine the increase and decrease that has taken place. Okay, the change may be expressed as either an amount or percentage. Amount mean NBD, percentage mean it's a percent. We have two formulas for horizontal analysis. First, we will explain properly the horizontal analysis of current year in relation to base year. They have to tell us the relation. So, what is the formula? Current year amount over base year amount. Okay, and the second formula, change since base period, current year amount minus base year amount, current minus base over base year. In this formula, how we can differentiate it between the first formula and the second one? They want the change or increase or decrease. But the first formula, they have to decide the relation base year. Okay, let's see example number 1. the recent net sales figure of Majida company are as follows. Okay, now we have 5 years. We'll start with 2015 because this year is the oldest year, so this year is a base year. Okay, then we have 2016, 2017, 2018 and 2019. Okay, let's see what's required. Express current year sales as percentage of the base period for the 5 years. Okay, the base years is 2015. They told us that the base year is 2015. Let's see the answer. The formula says current result in relation to base period of net sales. Relation. Okay, relation. So what is the formula? Current year amount over base year amount multiply by 100 to get the percentage. Okay, current year over the base year multiplied by 100. Let's see. Let's start with the base year 2015. 2015, this is the base year, so we will use it at the top. Okay, over, because the same year it will be base over the base, because there is no current year for this year. Okay, multiply by 100, it will give us the 100%. Let's see 2016. The base year in all years will be this one. Okay, only we change the current year. 42,000. Okay, 42 divided by 40,000 multiplied by 100 equal 105%. 44,000 divided by 40,000, the base year also, multiply by 100 equal 110%. For 2018, 48,000 is the current year over the base year, multiply by 100 equal 120%. And for this is 2019. For 2019, the current year will be the same, only we will put the base year multiply by 100 equal 125%. Okay, let's see example number 2. The recent net sales figures of Hala company are as follows. The same, we have 4 years, 2019, 2018, 2017 and 2016. Let's see what's required. Measure all percentage of increase or decrease. The previous example, they want the relation. Now they want the percentage of increase or decrease in net sales using year 2016 for the base. Okay, this is the base year. Okay, we will use the second formula because the required is the percentage of increase or decrease. Okay, let's see the solution. The formula says the change since base year, current year amount minus base year amount over base year amount. Okay, so we will use base and base. Multiply by 100. Let's see the table. Okay, let's move to the base year. This is the base year. Okay, this is the base year. We have 20,000 BD. Let's apply the formula. We have 20,000 minus 20,000 over 20,000 because we don't have current, so we use base for the same year minus base over base. Multiply by 100, it will equal 0%. So for the base year, there is no current year. All numbers will be the same. Okay, let's move to 2017. This is the current year. So the formula is, this is the current amount. Okay, we will copy it in the formula. Minus 20,000. This is the base amount over 20,000. Also base multiply by 100 equal 20%. In 2018, this is the current year. We have 25,000. We will apply it in the formula. 25,000 minus 20,000, which is the base year, over 20,000 also is the base year. Multiply by 100, we will get 25%. Okay, let's move to 2019, which is the current year. We have 28,000. We will apply it in the formula. Minus 20,000, which is the base amount, over 20,000, which is base amount. Multiply by 100 equal 40%. Okay, let's see example 3. Let's apply the horizontal analysis for balance sheet. Further illustration of horizontal analysis, we will use the financial statement of Abdullah Company, a horizontal analysis of its 2-year balance sheet. Required, compute all percentage of increase or decrease for Osama store using horizontal analysis. Okay, let's see the balance sheet. We have the balance sheet for 2 years, 2018 and 2019. Okay, we have the amount will be given in both years. Okay, the owner's equity. The owner's equity is identified as a stockholder's equity or shareholder's equity or corporate capital. Corporation may be begin selling ownership rights in the form of shares of stock. Let's see the solution. The formula said current year amount minus the base year amount over base year amount multiplied by 100. Okay, the balance sheets will be given the amount of 2018 and 2019. 2018 is the base year. 2019 is a current year. How we will compute the amount? The amount should be in BD. We will compute the change between 2 years. Okay, in 2018 we have 10,000, but in the current year, which is 2019, the current assets less by 6,000. Okay, so the current assets is less than 2018. 10,000 minus 6,000, it will give 4,000. Okay, 10,000 minus 6,000 will give us 4,000. Okay, so if it is the current year is less than the base year, the amount is minus. So we will have to put them between brackets. Okay, the same as fixed assets. We have 70,000 in the current year and 35,000 in the base year. So in the current year, it's increased. So 70,000 minus 35,000, we get 35,000. Okay, let's see the total assets. 76,000 for the current year and 45,000 for the base year. We can compute it. 76,000 minus 45,000 will give us 31,000. The same for liability and stockholders' equity. Current liability, 4,000 minus 5,000 will give us 1,000. So we put them between a bracket because the current year is less than the base year. Long-term liability, the same, we will deduct 7,500 minus 2,500, we have 5,000. Total liability, 11,500 minus 7,500, the result is 4,000. The same for stockholders' equity. For total liabilities and stockholders' equity, also the same. Okay, so when the current year is less than the base year, the amount will be minus. We have to put it between brackets. Okay, let's see how to calculate the percentage. We will apply the formula. We have the current year amount. This is the current year minus base over base year. Okay, so this is the base year. Okay, 10,000. Okay, the same we apply it for the whole numbers. 70,000 minus 35,000, 70 minus 35, which is the base year over base year, multiply by 100, it will equal 100%. The same as total assets, 76, we will apply it in the formula. Then we will add 45,000 over 45,000, the base year. Okay, the same for the whole amount, 4,000, we will apply it. Then minus 5,000 over 5,000 equal 20%. Long-term liability, the same, 7,500 minus 2,500 over 2,500. Total liability, the same, 11,500 minus 7,500 over 7,500. For stockholders' equity, the same. We will apply the current year, 64,500 minus 37,500, base year over the base year. And we have the last one, which is total liability and stockholders' equity minus 45,000 over 45 equals 68.89%. Okay, let's do horizontal analysis for the income statement. Let's see example 4. The following income statement of Nasser Company for year 2018 and 2019 required. Compute all the percentage of increase or decrease for Osama store using horizontal analysis. Okay, now we have income statement. The previous example was about the balance sheet. Now we have income statement, the same. We have base year and current year. The old year is base or old. The current year, it's new or current. Okay, let's see the solution. Okay, let's see the solution for the income statement. It will be the same as the balance sheet except for the title. The same formula for both the balance sheet and income statement. We will compute the amount exactly same. We will deduct the current year minus the base year it will give us the amount, everything for the whole number. The current year minus the base year will be the amount. Okay, for the percent, it's the same formula. Let's see the sales. We will add the current amount, okay, minus the base over the base amount. It will give us the 50%. The same for the sales return. We will add the current year minus base over the base, but in this case we will have 33.33%, but in minus because the amount here already in minus because the sales return is less in 2019. And the same for the whole numbers. Okay, so in this lesson we have point to remember, tools of financial statement analysis. We have horizontal analysis, vertical analysis, and ratio analysis. Today we explained horizontal analysis, which is to determine the increase or decrease that has taken place in the financial statement, which is the income statement and balance sheet. Next lesson will be about the vertical analysis. Okay, now let's solve this question. The following information were extracted from the book of Lamia EST. Net sales for years 2018 and 2019 are 50,000 and 75,000. So this is the base year and this is the current year. How we know? Because it's 2018 and 2019, the new year is the current year. The changing percentage, they want the changing percentage in net sales by using horizontal analysis. Let's apply the formula. The formula said current year minus base year over the base year amount multiplied by 100. Okay, the current amount is 75,000 minus 50,000 over 50,000 multiplied by 100. So the answer is 50%. So we have to choose 50%. Okay, let's see this question. If the company has supplies of 25,000 in 2018 and 20,000 in 2019. 2018 is the old year, so it is the base year. 2019 is the current year, the new year, so it's the current year. The company has increased the supply by 20%. Is it true or false? Let's calculate the formula and decide. Okay, the current year is 20%, 20,000 minus 25,000 over 25,000 multiplied by 100 equal 20%, but decrease. Why decrease? Because the base year is higher than the current year. The current year is less. So when we deduct 2,000 minus 25,000, it will result in minus. We will reach to the end of the lesson. For more information, please visit edunet.com or solve more exercise in your workbook. Thank you.